My people, didn't I tell you yesterday, don't buy the Trump token. Don't fall into the hype. There's insider trading going on. We have multi-million-dollar wallets, several of them, buying seconds after the Trump token launches. And I told you they will unload now. And that liquidity will roll into American boomer tokens like AVAX, Solana, and all of them. But we got a joker in the game. So a joker came up and we were not ready for this one. So let's dive straight into this because it's been a crazy, crazy night. If you've been up, then you have seen this, and there's a lot to expect today. So let's get straight into this. All right, so first and foremost, yesterday I showed you guys this chart, and the only thing we saw in green here basically was the Trump, a big ass green Trump bubble, and a big ass green Solana bubble, and Jupiter. Where is Jupiter? There it is. Everything else was red. Basically everything. And what did I say? Trump and Solana is sucking up all the liquidity from the crypto sphere because everybody's falling into the Trump hype. But who's left now in there is the retail traders, us the retail traders, those that took their trades early on, those million-dollar wallets that is with highest probability insider trading, they are unloading, and they did so. They dumped the Trump token with 50% in everybody's face. 50%. That was a rug pull straight up. The first ever rug pull by a president, the first ever rug pull by a US president, the leader of the free world. What's going on? This is sick. But on top of that, like that wouldn't be enough. Suddenly, Melania, the wife or girlfriend of Trump, the first lady of the United States of America, is dropping a meme coin. So who's next? Eric Trump, Baron Trump. I don't know who more he got in his family, but like now we're basically expecting everybody to drop their own meme coins. Now this here means both good and bad for the crypto market. It's good because right now the hype is coming up. Retail is flowing into the crypto markets. And I can say this, I firmly believe that the altcoin season officially has started. Trump started it by launching his own token. The negative part is that it puts a bad light on crypto, man. This is exactly what we don't want crypto to look like some form of casino, basically. And this is what it is. When you get the president of the United States even creating a meme coin, launching it, and rug pulling it on everybody's face, it's not good. People are upset. People are angry. We saw a lot of tokens fall yesterday. We saw the whole crypto market dump heavily yesterday. So today's a big day. We got Donald Trump's inauguration day today, and it's set at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So Central European time, that's 6 p.m. I will live stream that on this channel. So make sure you tune in, put the notification bells on so that you hear when and know when we go live. I will comment live on it, and I will probably take some trades live on it as well. And by the way, support our channel by smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. During the night, we saw Bitcoin take all-time high at about 109K, which is actually, I believe, only the start for today. I think we are going to see much more for today. We're seeing a dump right now as we speak. But me personally, I think this is a quick liquidation sweep, and I think we will see a crazy rally after that. If not, if we go sideways and we go down today or just sideways, then I believe tomorrow when the federal fund rates decision is and the FOMC meeting is, I think we're going to see a crazy rally. I'm expecting actually the Federal Reserve to keep it the same if they, of course, don't pull out some crazy trick and increase the interest rates or something like that, or say some crazy stuff at the FOMC meeting, which, of course, Jerome Powell is even known for. So we got to be careful with that. But I'm expecting positive things. I'm expecting the American economy to get boosted. This is what everybody wants to see. I'm expecting everybody's investments to get boosted. And they get boosted by being dovish on the interest rates. So being dovish on the future of the money supply, that they want to increase the money supply. They want to lower the price for the dollar and increase dollars into circulations, of course. And we can see already now that the money printer is on, that the money supply is expanding again. And this is what we want to see. We want to see the money supply, the M2 supply, increase, because when this one increases, Bitcoin increases in price and crypto in general increases in price. And like I've said before, the national FOMO that is about to start, I don't think you know what's ahead of you. Like this will be an bull run of epic proportions. Even Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, is saying it, that governments will race to build strategic Bitcoin reserve to ensure national security and prosperity. This is facts, and this is happening. This is coming in right now. So let's look properly at the charts, because we gotta see where are our entry positions today, because today is when we want to load up and position ourselves properly for what's to come. Because like I'm saying, altcoin season is starting right now. We're gonna see the blow of top part of the bull rally coming right now. After that, I think coming into May, market will cool down. During the summer, not much will happen. We will go sideways again like before, or maybe even rapidly down to start accelerating up again during autumn. If the bull run ends in the end of 2025, I don't know. Nobody knows. But honestly, I don't think so, because everybody's expecting that. And the bull run has never ended when everybody's expecting it. It always takes everybody off guard. So let's dive into the altcoins that I see is high top priority for this week and that I believe will rally. When they have rallied, you want to cash out your profits and roll them over into mid caps. And we will talk about them in the next video. But now we focus on what's going to rally right now. After this liquidation here, which is of course very bullish, of course, we want to see liquidations like this, because this is what happened tonight when Melania announced that she will drop her meme token, all liquidity, same like with the Trump token, all liquidity gets sucked out of the market and into Melanie. But now she's out of the way too. And for now, we ain't got no other Trumps announcing no new meme token launch. So we are focusing on this American boomer tokens. XRP broke out, came back, retested the previous resistance perfectly as support. This is a super trade active right now. My target for XRP for this bull run is between $5 to $10. I know people want to hear 30, 40, 50, 100, $1,000. But for this 2025, I'm happy with $5 till $10. It's a big span, but then in the same time, we don't know what's going to happen. It's a very unsure market. I will start taking profits from $5. And just like you DCA into tokens, you want to DCA out of it also. You don't need to take everything out at once. So number one, XRP. Number two, of course, Solana. Solana had some troubles yesterday, congestion in their network and this and that, but it's still standing very strong. And the re-entry opportunity right now, it's perfect. You want to get it. And the level I'm talking about is, of course, $254. So around $255 right now is perfect entry. I hope it stays there until this video is posted. Even, let's say, market goes up a little bit. As long as it's not some crazy candle that you see, it's still good to DCA, because Solana is going to reach heights of about, I would say $600-700 minimum this bull run. So you still got a lot of room to go. And right now, today, when Trump steps into office, this is one of the hot picks. Next hot pick is Cardano, ADA. This is how it's looking right now. You have same thing here, basically perfect entry, retesting this order block here. And I'm expecting this to rally hard today. If not today, then tomorrow when Jerome Powell speaks. And the preferred entry for Cardano is at about $1, 1.03 approximately. And then we got three more tokens to go. One is Sui, also presenting a perfect entry right now. Yes, I know it has rallied a lot. It might dip a little bit lower, but the potential of this project, so I'm not talking about only the token as a speculative instrument. I'm talking about the whole project in itself, the crypto project. It's so strong, and the total value locked on the Sui chain, it's crazy. It's skyrocketing right now. We have AVAX at a beautiful entry opportunity. As you can see right now, it's testing the support, and it just did tonight it made a beautiful liquidity sweep below the support. Took out the liquidity that rested at about $32. It's now sitting at about $37. And I'm expecting an AVAX at about $260 for this bull run. So we got a long way to go. And what you're doing now is just DCAing in and just trying to get a good entry. If you leverage trading, be careful with that today, because today is, like I said, a very volatile day with Trump stepping into office. Last but not least, we got Polkadot. I'm super bullish on Polkadot, and I believe that this one can rip very, very hard, very, very soon. It broke above this resistance here, has retested it as support, and it's now sitting at about $6.5. I think this thing is ready to explode upwards, and if you zoom out on a weekly time frame, then you see much better what I'm talking about. This thing has a lot of catch up to do. From where it sits right now to the previous all-time high, it's about 670%. If we do even half of that, you're gonna do a decent amount of money. We're talking about 7-8x just to get it to previous all-time high. I think there's a big chance that it smashes the previous all-time high and goes beyond it. But my first take profit level will be at about $35. With that said, guys, don't forget that I'm streaming live today, 6 p.m. in the same time as the inauguration of Donald Trump is. We're gonna live stream it. We're gonna watch the market, see what happens, how the market reacts to it, probably take some trades together. It will be leveraged trades, so be ready for that. I'm taking all trades on BitNX. If you ain't got a BitNX account and you wanna be on the live stream and take the same trades as I take, check the link in the description box below. That's our BitNX partner link. Use it to get up to $5,500 in sign-up bonuses, and then we trade together on the same terms on the live feed. If you want to straight up copy my trades, use the copy trading link that is also in the description box below. That connects your account to our copy trading account so that our trades automatically gets copied on your account. And of course, you got one of the most booming trading communities being built right now on Telegram, and that's our community, Prosperous World. Please be a part of it. We will love to see you there. Link is in the description box below. There's a lot of perks, airdrops on a weekly basis, sometimes a couple of times a week. So you don't want to miss that out. And that is where we post all trades first. All right. With that said, support the channel, like and subscribe. I'll see you at the top because you know the bottom is way too crowded. Peace.